Hi, my name is Harold Wald. I live in Southern California and I'm here with my wife Brenda on the tour of Thailand. We're coming to the end of the tour and we've had a fantastic 2 weeks touring the country, learning about the culture, the people, and doing this with a group of the most wonderful people you could imagine. We've had Shabbatot that were relaxed and enjoyable and warm and just wonderful, what we want it to be. Nobody is forced to do anything they don't want to do, but everybody joins in and you're part of this culture. This is my second trip. Last time was a hiking trip in Chamonix. I would do that in a heartbeat again, and probably will. This was a different type of tour, but there was a lot of caring and advanced planning that went into the tour that we have just enjoyed, and it's evident from the results, which are the smiles on all the people who have been part of this fantastic experience. I just want to say thank you to Josh for his efforts, and keep them going. We'll be there.